Anam ede. So how would you say I am writing something?
Anam ede ihe.
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 Anam ede ihe.
Anam ede ihe.
Good. Ngodetuo ya. Anam ede ihe. Have you gone to collect the receipt from her? Did you go to? I said we go now. How many can one in life now? Anam ede ihe. Yes, I am writing something. Now read. Bogini. Read. Ordinakwukwo unu. Read bogini. It's don't just say go to the book and find out. Good. Read bogini. Go akwukwo. Right? So what is reading? Reading.
Nagu. Nagu. Nagu.
Nagu. Akwukwo. So how do you say I am reading?
Anam agụ akwụkwọ.
Anam agụ akwukwo. Ngwadetuo ya. Are we all following? My little babies are not opening their textbook. Open your textbook now. Look for read. Idimma Chike, do your textbook. You must learn how to use it so when you go home you can use it. Shift your chair backward. Mosi so. Na-emechi ọnụ. Open to read. Have you seen read? Column number what are we dealing with now? Column number 7. You start from read. Count from the English word. Column number what? Number 8.
Contact Lucharis Wears for your ready-to-wear kaftans and kimonos. All sizes, wears all. We are located at 7A Otaiku Street, Ikate. Call us on 0706 747 3745 or WhatsApp at 0909 525 9373. Very affordable and easy to wear. Our social media handles are Instagram, luchariwears.ng, and on TikTok, luchari_wears.
Not N, I will use A. A. Remember the M will stalk the Na. We stay at it to stalk I, but it will stay beside Na. So what is it going to be?
Chizak Pap, made from 100% natural ingredients, nutritious and filling for everyone in the family. Chizak Foods, healthy food, healthy you. Chizak Pap is the official pap for Igbo summer camp.
Akwukwo.
Akwukwo.
So how do you say I am reading?
Anam akwukwo.
Anam agụ akwukwo.
Ana agụ akwukwo.
Anam agụ akwukwo.
Anam agụ akwukwo.
Kọrọ ọnụ ya aka. Msi kọrọ ọnụ mmadụ aka, then you put your hands together. Yes, so anam agụ akwukwo. So how do you say come in Igbo? Come. Zuru, how do you say come in Igbo?
Yeah.
Bia, how do you say I am coming? Look for come. Have you collected it? The phone, have you collected it? Come. Coming. So how would you say I am coming?
Anam abia.
Good, say it confidently.
Anam abia.
How would you say mommy, please, I am coming?
Name biko. Anam abia.
Good job. So I am coming, Bogene. Anam abia. So gini bu go. Nye yikenna. Ga. Ngwa mepa go. How would you say I am going? Show him go. Where is your textbook? Kenkebu, I don't know. Kebi desara kege. Have you written your name in it? So where is it? Ngwa, go, chota go. Chota go. So how do you say I am going? Look at the 8th column. So how would you say I am going? Remember to put the M that stalks the I. Which word is the M going to stay beside now? Yes.
Anam.
Good.
Anam ga.
Eh?
Anam.
Read it now. Read what is there.
Anamaga.
Good. Anamaga. How would you say I am going to? Where do you want to go to? How would you say I'm going to Igbo summer camp? Say it. Look at your note, your textbook.
Anam. Ga.
Aga.
Aga. Anaga.
Anam. Aga.
Anam aga. Igbo summer camp.
Ozo.
Ozo.
Ozo means again.
Anam aga. Igbo summer camp.
Good. So anam aga Igbo summer camp. Onye ọbụla detuo onu ya. Ọzọ abụrụ eat, rie. Eat, rie. Chisom, ke ka ị ga-esi ekwu I am eating. I am eating. Were lee anya n'ime akwụkwọ go.
Anam.
Look at the 8th column.
Anam eri.
Again.
Anam eri.
You are saying anama. It's not anama.
Anam eri.
Good. Anam eri. How would you say I am eating my food?
Anam eri. Anam eri.
Why you say Anna? Why are you taking away the M now? Be confident.
Anam eri.
What is my food?
Anam.
What is my food? Good. Ngwa, make your sentence.
Anam eri.
Good. Anam eri nrim. Anam eri nrim. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-esonye anyị ugbu a na na ihe nkiri ma ọ bụ onyonyo. Ihe a bụ Igbo Summer Camp 2024 and anyị na-eme ihe gbasara verb conjugations. Ndo biko si gbatara na nwa mmiri na ọ na-akwa ụkwara. So ọ bụrụ na na-esonye anyị ugbu a, anyị nọ na verb conjugations and ihe anyị na-eme ugbu a bụ present continuous verbs. Converting verbs to the present continuous form in sentences. Ngwa. The next one is dance. Gịnị bụ dance? Ịdị mmachi. Chiamaka nwebekwa ihe kwuru kemgbe ị nọ ebe a. Chiamaka, okay, dewe nnọọ dewe. Na-emepe akwụkwọ gị dance. It's not to hold the book that is the only thing. Dance. No. Dance. No, Igwegu is not dance. Look for dance. Say, look at it and pronounce it well. Allow him. Go ahead. Na-agba egwu kwuo ya. Now in that na-agba egwu, where will M be if you put I? What? No. It will be behind na. So how would you say I am dancing? Ojikwe microphone. There. How would you say I am dancing again?
Anam abua egwu.
Good. Jisike, I am dancing. Anam agba egwu. So drink. Ihuoma, this question is okay. You've answered one. Idi machingwa drink. Gịnị bụ drink? Drink. I never called you, boy. No. Whoa, no. Everybody. Now look at me, everybody. The NU and the N has a dot on it. That N that has this ng. Everybody say ng. Just listen to me and look at my mouth. Ng. Ng. Maria nye Miss Favor. Miss Favor ne iko anara nwa. Ng. Lee m anya. Onye ọbụla lee m anya. Ng. Lee m anya means look at me. Lee m anya. Look me eye. Lee m anya. Ng. So when you want to say drink, you say ngo, 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 and then you want to say to drink, ingo. So you want to say I am drinking, you say anam ango.
Anam.
Good. Ngwa, how would you say I am drinking?
Anam anu.
Good. How would you say I am drinking water?
Anam anu mmiri.
Good. Ana m aṅụ mmiri. Put a dot on the end. Good. The next one now is keep. Gịnị bụ keep n'Igbo? Gịnị bụ keep? Look for keep. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Zurum, gịnị bụ keep? Really? It's not there? Keep is the sa. Look at the board for keep. Keep bụ the sa. desa. So how do you say I am keeping? I am keeping. Good. That's it. Na edesa. What you to good. So how you say I am keeping? I'm listening. Where microphone? Where Igbo okwu? Where Igbo okwu? Where?
Ana medesa.
Now, I want you to say something you're keeping. I am keeping it.
Ana medesa ya.
Good. What of plate? What is plate in Igbo? Efere. How do you say my plate? Efere. So I would say I'm keeping my plate.
Ana medesa efere.
Good job, baby. Anam edesa eferem. Gini bu collect. It ought to be there. Okay, collect. Collect. Collect bunata. Collect nata. How would you say collect it? Collect is nata. Yes. How would you say collect it, everybody? Collect it. Again. Nataya. How would you say collecting? Collecting.
Anamanata.
Anamanata. Good. That one is I am collecting. So Nanata is collecting. So how would you say I am collecting it? Anamanata ya. Good job, baby. Papando language hub. Umuaka chake. The next one is greet. Greet. Get it greet in Igbo. Yeah, kele. So how do you say I am greeting? Look for greeting in your notes. Here greeting. Go and look for greeting. Greeting. Yes. Yes. Good. Where microphone? Yes, Sam. Yeah, Chukwu Ebuka microphone. Chukwu Ebuka isigini.
Na ekele.
Na ekele kwoya.
Na ekele.
So how would you say I am greeting?
Anam ekele.
Good. How would you say I am greeting you?
Anam ekele gi.
Say it confidently.
Anam ekele gi.
Anam ekele gi. How would you say God? I am greeting you.
Chukwu anam eleke.
Eleke. Kele. Anam ekele. Chukwu Ebuka. Is ekele. Ngwa. Chukwu Ebuka. Ekele. Anam ekele. Ngwa.
Chukwu anam ekele gi.
Good. Chukwu anam ekele gi. God, I am thanking you. God, I am greeting you. And the person doesn't hear. You tell somebody, you know, some of you tell somebody, good morning, and the person doesn't even hear you. And the next thing you say is, when you greet someone and the person does not hear you, you call the person's name and say, Anna mekelegi. Even if it's you. Oh, she will not say, oh, Mwamo Jisike. Whenever you greet somebody and the person does not respond, Ike na udo odikwa. Udo odi. Whenever you're greeting someone and the person does not respond, how do you call the person's attention and say, I am greeting? Anam ekelegi. Chamaka. Amarachi, when you greet somebody and the person does not respond, how do you say I am greeting you?
Anam ekeleki.
Good. Anam ekelegi. Jisike kwano nwuna aka. Now what is work? Work. Work is there. Work. W-O-R-K. W-O-R-K. Is there. Go to the second. Raw. Don't worry. I'll figure it out. Raw. R-U-O. So raw and then bracket oru. Raw bracket oru. It's there in the board. So how would you say I am working? I am working. If you don't say the M, don't say it. You have to say the M that stalks the I. And I told you that the M stays beside the word that stands beside the I. Ngwa. Your textbook is not even open. Or abraka. Okay, so working, because it's not there. Working is naru, na, aru. Naru oru. Okay. Someone else. To be answer. I am working. I told you that it is raw oru. Yes, now. Anamaru oru. Okay, so anam aru oru. So wait is chere, right? How do you say I am waiting? I am waiting. No, look at your textbook. Waiting. Ihuoma, you can help us. So waiting is na edge. Okay.
Anam eche.
I am waiting for you.
Anam echegi.
Anam echegi. Say it.
Anam echegi.
Anam echegi. So how would you say, Chisom, I'm waiting for you? Who would say that? Chisom, I'm waiting for you.
Chisom, anam echegi.
Good. Chisom, anam echegi. Ọ bụrụ na ị ka na-esonye anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme, anyị nọ na Igbo Summer Camp 2024. Akwụkwọ anyị ji na-amụta ihe ugbu a bụ akwụkwọ a na-akpọ Mụta Asụsụ Igbo Ngwa Ngwa. Mụta Asụsụ Igbo Ngwa Ngwa bụ Contemporary Conjugations of Verbs in Igbo. Ọ mụ depụtara ya as an experienced Igbo language teacher. I wrote it to help people who want to learn how to speak the Igbo language so they can learn how to speak it easily. Ngwa ụmụaka, we have one more break and then one more session and we are done for the day. The next class we are coming for is WH questions. How to say, what are you doing? I am eating. What did you do? I washed the plate. Where are you getting me? Are you getting me? Let's go. So, WH questions, very simple. Are you enjoying your Igbo summer camp? Ngwa. I ga-enwe obere ezumike ugbu a. I ga-enwe obere ezumike. Everybody leave. Okay, yes. Back up your Hey, onye nkuzi. Chisom, is that not my own? Okay, so ana m ekele onye ọbụla ndị na-esonye anyị online n'ihe onyonyo nke anyị na-eme na Igbo Summer Camp. Ugbu a ka anyị nweta obere ezumike. Mgbe ọzọ anyị na-alọghachita, anyị ga-emezi WH questions. Biko nọrọnụ nke ọma. Daalụnụ.